пизда, блядь. Ебана пылюка, нахуй. Сука, то пизда.
Все нормально? Да. Пизда. Сюда ходить.
Three crashes in all months. First, second, and third. Our locals had a stance meet up, and after that I decided to make some noise on the streets when we were rolling to home. Had a lot of rocks and sand on the corners. I forgot about it and was drifting with no thoughts about them. I know a lot of you guys are watching my videos because of street drifting, and I want to give you some important advices. Always check grip on the spot before you start drifting, check the condition of your tires, and always monitor the tire pressure.
タイヤの負担をコントロールしてこそ一流。普通のことを普通にこなして勝つのみだ。
Оце на столі. Ніхуя
Дуже дякую, блядь.
Unpacking moments. Oh yeah, dear Shop UA, thank you very much. Best memories. If you want to order the same stuff, just DM them on Instagram. Oh yeah, thank you very much, dear Shop. Yep.
Здорова картина, блядь. Анбоксинг, анбоксинг. У мене ножик є.
Лабаш, ебать ви, що гоните, я їбу, це сука подвон нахуй, блядь. Оце вгадав, дуже дякую, блядь.
Коротше, від цієї банди, що вчора вкрав.
Дуже дякую, пацани, дуже дякую. Дуже дякую Ростіку. Сєрому, Андрію і всім пацанам Таню дуже дякую. Keep it straight.
One more gift from my homie. Thank you very much. Now I can lift the car with no problems. I crashed 2 rims, trailing arm in this place, axle and coilover. So I changed the axle and realized that my trailing arm is dead in this place. I bought 2 trailing arms with axles and already installed them. So I damaged my lower camber control arm. My rear brakes aren't working right now, so I need to fix it as fast as possible. One more problem after the crash. Camber on this side is good, but on this side is very big because I crashed my coilover and I need to replace both of them. Before the crash I lowered my rear and front sides, but I realized that my axles were in very big angle and my rear suspension wasn't working. Also I want to change my front coilovers and lift the car to have a better grip on front. So many cool memories with this car, but I realized I need to take a rest, take a little recovery because I wasted a lot of time and power on this car. I hope I'll be back soon. Thanks guys for watching, put like or dislike and subscribe on the channel. I'll be back.
Don't leave me